Hi everyone, I'm Rasa. I lead marketing at Liminal. Today we are going to showcase you how you can set up a Liminal account in a few simple steps. But before we start with the process, let's just understand a little more details about the account. The account that you open with Liminal is an organization account. It consists of different types of members who have a different role and responsibilities to play. For example, there'll be an owner who's a super admin. He or she can set policies, set mobile signer, create wallet, and invite admins. Admin, on the other hand, can invite members, add and approve policies, and create wallet. Members are a part of the wallet. They can send and approve transactions. Now let's just get started with the process of signing up. Make sure that you set a strong password. Agree with the terms and conditions and sign up. 2FA is a very important aspect to make sure that your account is secure and against any attacks or vulnerabilities. I'm going to use Google Authenticator. You can choose your 2FA. I'm scanning the code right now. Here, my account is created in 3 simple steps. My account is created. This is a dashboard of pre-account setting. I may have received the email verification to confirm the account and proceed. Let's just check the verification email. Yes, I have received. Let's verify the account. Here, my dashboard is ready. Let's set the account. Let's call this organization. Let's add my name first, sorry. And let's name this account as Demo Day. Great, so my account is all set. If you see, there are 3 options that I have now to complete my account setting. I have to invite team members, I have to link my device, and after that I will be able to create my wallet. Before I link my device, I would like to send invitations to my team members. So I'm going to invite 3 team members. 2 will be admins and 1 will be a member. So if you can see, I can select whether I want them to be member or admin. I will make Shiv as an admin. I will add Akansha as an admin, and I will let Lakshmi be the member. I'm sending them the invite. Done. The invitations are sent. Now I will wait for the members to complete the confirmation of the account and open their account. Over to you, Shiv.
Hi guys, my name is Shivanand Kotier. I'm Senior Brand Manager at Liminal. Today I will show you how to sign up to Liminal using an invitation sent by your organization admin. Here I have received an invitation from Raisa, who has created an organization demo day. I'll click on accept invitation and it will open Liminal Vaults. Sign up using the email ID on which you have received your invitation. Set up a strong password. Now we suggest having a 2-factor authentication so that your account is secure. Here I'm using a Google Authenticator to set up a 2-factor authentication. We'll scan the code. So once you sign up, this is a dashboard you'll see. Before you start using the account, it's important that you verify your email address. This is the email that you must have received. Verify your account. Verify your account. So once you verify email address, this is the dashboard. You can schedule an onboarding call. To set up your account, enter your complete name, the name of the organization. This has been set by your organization admin. Click on it, continue. So as you saw, within 5 minutes, I was able to join an organization called Demo Day successfully. Now we'll wait for my other members to follow the same process and join the organization. And this way, we have successfully created a multi-signature wallet for making transactions.